This past year has been a lot of exploring for us, and most of it has been outdoor adventures. Between Chai and me, I am the outdoorsy one. So, be it snorkeling in one of the remotest national parks, cruising through one of the longest zip lines in America, hiking through multiple trails through multiple national parks, or river rafting through class 4 plus rapids. They were all my ideas. Chai has sportingly stepped out of her comfort zone, accompanying me in all those outdoor adventures. So I think I owe her a little weekend getaway where all we do is relax and rejuvenate. That's how we've ended up here in this luxury cabin rental in the town of Stanley in Virginia, right next to the Shenandoah Mountains. This cabin is named Bear Logga and is one of the finest properties I've seen in my life. Nestled deep into the woods and built atop a mountain, this is the perfect slice of mountain heaven you can get. It can accommodate up to 10 to 12 guests with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3,800 square feet, and it also has a sauna.
Yes! This cabin is really good. I think we should show them around.
Cool, let's go.
Let's go. As soon as you arrive at the cabin, you are greeted by this cute black bear. I hope this is the only one we encountered tonight. Sakesh, there's a black bear over there. Let's go in. Wow! Look at that view. So good. As soon as you enter this house, the very first thing that attracts you are these floor-to-ceiling windows. From here, you get a mesmerizing view of the Shenandoah Mountains. The light coming in from the window makes the room look all the more spacious and airy. When we checked in, we brewed ourselves a cup of coffee and enjoyed it over here with this view. And we can't wait to do it again tomorrow. The living area is the perfect place to lounge in with your friends or family. And over there are some games that the host has kept for us, and I'm sure that Sankesh will want to play almost all of these tonight. And on this side of the house is the dining area. Isn't it just stunning? I just love the wooden tables, the chairs, and the fact that there's a fireplace right there. Wow, this is one of the 2 decks in the house, and it has started to get cooler as the sun is going down, so we can't wait to see the sunset from here. Now let's show you the kitchen. From the dining area, you walk into this fully equipped kitchen. And over here, the host has left us this welcome gift. There is a bottle of wine, this cute Bear Logga postcard. Honey, it says, "Thank you for being here," and special blend of berries and fruit tea. That's interesting and so thoughtful. Since we are deep into the woods, we've got our own groceries to cook a nice home-cooked meal, and this kitchen has everything that I need. Now let me show you the bedroom. Actually, the bedrooms. Let's start with the master bedroom on the first level. This room is so cozy. Can you please do the restaurant tour?
Sure. Okay, here's the walk-in closet, the attached bathroom with double vanity and jacuzzi. How did I do?
Bad. Let me take over. This is the second deck. It opens up again to this view. And the best part is this egg chair. This house has so many places to relax. Sakesh, there's a black bear over there. See, it's going away. See that black dot? That's a black bear.
I think it's a horse.
Now let us show you the rooms upstairs. The upper level has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This bedroom also has a king-size bed, and my favorite part is this reading corner. How elegant is this? If you have a bigger family with kids or more friends, they can easily accommodate in this room. Here there is a bunk bed and 2 more twin beds. The best part about all the rooms is how it all faces towards the view. Another thing. Another cool thing about all the rooms is how these blinds roll up. How cool is that? And over here is the second bathroom that is between the 2 bedrooms. Now let's show you guys the patio. Wow. The weather is just perfect. Behind me, there's a hot tub as well, which will be made available late fall. So if you do come and stay here during that time, do make the most of it. Look at all that firewood behind me. Obviously, because there's a fire pit here. It's a great amenity to have to enjoy the outdoors during cold nights.
If you were amazed by what all you saw so far, let us now show you the highlight of this stay. Let's go. We've resisted ourselves to go down into the basement because we wanted to give you an authentic reaction.
Ta-da! Wow! Okay, this is so cozy. It feels like another house within a house. If you thought that this game room was the highlight, then that's not what we were talking about. It's the sauna room. How cool is this? Such a great bonus.
I have never stayed at an Airbnb that has a sauna in it. Remember when we said there were 2.5 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms? I just discovered another bathroom and another bedroom here in the basement.
This house is so big, I cannot keep a track of it.
So that was it from the tour. It's almost dinner time, so we're gonna get started on cooking.
For dinner, we've prepared Thai curry with millet. And how is it?
Really good.
Mmm.
Nice. After that yummy dinner, thanks to you, it's time for checkers. The winner is
Me!
not true. So we found a new game show where you are asked a question and instead of just answering A, B, C or D, you have to dress like a pepper, jump on a trampoline and enter into one of the tubes that denote A, B, C or D. Check this out. This is the stupidest thing I've seen tonight. There's definitely a perk to have a game room. Who's up for a challenge?
Me! Can't wait to beat you.
Ah. Let the games begin. Hit one. It's okay.
You won! Big deal! In case you didn't know, we both are so losers. And very competitive. Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Yes!
Game point. it's time to call it a night. Today's day was so much fun and relaxing. Can't wait to enjoy more in this cabin tomorrow and get an amazing view from there. It's a nice chilly morning. We woke up early to see a sunrise, but it's been foggy all morning.
I wish you could stay longer. It's so nice.
All right, let's make some tea.
Ooh.
Wow. We were hoping to get some mountain views this morning, but I think I still like this view. So foggy, it feels remote.
Now it's time for sauna. This sauna is such a great bonus. I've never seen one in an Airbnb. The host has provided all the instructions on how to use the sauna correctly. There's also a bucket in which we can fill in some water and create steam. Additionally, the host has also provided a selection of pure essential oils. We can mix this with the water and create a more therapeutic experience. The heater takes about 30 minutes to heat up, so let's wait for it to get ready. After that refreshing sauna bath, we had our leftovers for lunch and enjoyed a downtime during afternoon.
Let me tell you this, we've been here for over 24 hours now, which means we've been disconnected from internet for over 24 hours. This cabin does not have Wi-Fi and even our phones didn't have cellular service. There's a landline that we could use just in case of emergencies.
I absolutely enjoyed this disconnect. This is a great getaway to spend some quality time with your friends and family.
This house just perfectly blends with the landscape. The hosts have done such an incredible job of building this luxury vacation rental. The luxury that comes from the comfort of the house is definitely amazing. But for us, the true luxury has been the access to nature and the solitude and the privacy. These things are just so difficult to get in our busy urban day-to-day lives.
And I'm so sad that we have to leave, but let's make one last cup of coffee and enjoy the view again.
Yes.
Let's go.
Sounds like a plan.
I know I've said this a number of times, but I absolutely loved the cabin, especially because of the number of thoughtful touches and aesthetically pleasing decor that just enhanced the entire experience. If you are in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, do come check out this Airbnb. And if you plan on visiting the Shenandoah National Park, this is definitely the place to be. We'll leave the link to the Airbnb in the description.
If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button. And if you are new here, subscribe to this channel.
Until our next getaway, keep exploring!